Hello, dear students. This is your Giri Prasad. In the previous lecture, we have discussed and derived equations of motion. These equations of motion are really magic tools. We can do wonders with these equations of motion. These equations of motion are very useful for us in all branches of physics. Remember, if you can perfectly use these equations of motion, your physics will be definitely easier. In all branches of physics, we use these equations of motion. So try as many as problems as you can based on these equations of motion, and make sure that the equations of motion are in your fingers. You can do magics, miracles with these equations of motion, and these three equations of motion are interlinked. We can derive many formulae by using these equations of motion. But for several formulae, the basic formulae are these three equations of motion only. So remember these equations of motion, as well as try to apply in many problems. Try to solve as many problems as possible by using these equations of motion. In our app, you can find ebooks button. Click on that ebooks button. You can find worksheets, synopsis, and everything. Try as many problems as you can. Okay, now let us see what more we can do with these equations of motion. By using these equations of motion, we can find the displacement, or the distance traveled by an object in nth second. See, remember, n seconds is different, nth second is different. I can eat 10 idlis. I am eating 10th idli. Have you got the difference? 10 idlis means as a whole. 10th idli means it is a particular. I am eating particular idli, 10th idli. What is the time taken by me to eat 10th idli is different. What is the time taken by me to eat 10 idlis is different. So, the distance traveled by a body in n seconds means S is equal to un plus half an square, or S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is this? This is the distance traveled by a body in n seconds, means as a whole, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever it is. This is a distance traveled by a body in n seconds. Now my question is, what is the displacement of the body, or distance traveled by the body in a particular second, nth second? This is not the formula for displacement of body in nth second. This is the formula, the distance traveled by a body in n seconds. Now, how to arrive this formula to get the displacement of body in particular nth second? Today we are going to see. Yeah, let us see the distance traveled by a body in nth second. For this, the logic is very simple. I will calculate the time taken to eat 10 idlis minus the time taken to eat 9 idlis. From this, can I get the time taken to eat 10th idli? The time taken to eat 10 idlis minus time taken to eat 9 idlis is equal to what? Time taken to eat 10th idli. The same concept. Distance traveled by a body in n seconds means nth second means distance traveled by a body in n seconds minus distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 seconds. For example, this is the distance traveled by a body in n seconds. Distance traveled by a body in n seconds. For example, this is the distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 seconds. This is the distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 seconds. Then what is this? Distance traveled by the body in nth second. So this is the key idea behind this. This is what physics, remaining is mathematics, which you can easily understand. I am doing the mathematics here. It is very simple. Just look at it. What is the distance traveled by a body in n seconds? un plus half an. Next, what is the distance traveled by the body in n minus 1 seconds? Yes, in n minus 1 is equal to u into, instead of time, here my time is n seconds, here my time is n minus 1 seconds. So ut, instead of t, I am going to place n minus 1 plus half into a into, instead of n I am going to place n minus 1 whole square. So now what you have to do? Just square it, open the bracket, and you will get it. This is un minus u plus half into a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. So open this, and then what you have to do? The distance traveled by the body in nth second, Sn is equal to s minus half s minus 1, that is equal to this minus this, un gets cancelled, half a n square, half a into n square gets cancelled, and you will be left with u plus a into n minus half. So this is the distance traveled by a body in the nth second. Say with me, Sn equal to how much? U plus a into n minus half. Louder? Sn equal to how much? U plus a into n minus half. Have you got the clarity? What is S and what is Sn? So these are our displacement or distance traveled by body in nth second. In the next lecture, let us discuss the motion under gravity.